this lesson, I'm just going to give you a couple quick tips for your accelerated math. This problem here says if c varies jointly with the square of d, so when it starts, remember when it starts with that first variable, that's like our y. So when I think of jointly, I would say that that's y equals kxz, right? So here it says c varies jointly with, so I put the k in there, the slope, and then with the square of d. Square of d means d squared. The confusing part here is that sometimes accelerated math will use the word jointly when they really mean directly. The best way to describe why they do that would be, we sometimes would have, this is just going back to some algebra stuff, right? If I have this polynomial, the term polynomial represents all different kinds of terms, many terms, but the more specific name for this would be a trinomial. So jointly is like the broader name, and if it only has two variables, we still consider it directly, so that's like the more specific name, if that makes sense. So you will see, you might be confused because they didn't give you an extra variable, so sometimes they call jointly directly, and that's why. So for this problem, you see that I have the square of d also, which is a little bit different, so I'd write that as d squared. So when I substitute, I'd have 6 equals k, and then 2 squared, so 6 equals 4k, and I end up with my slope being 3 halves. So my equation is c equals 3 halves d squared, and then I go ahead and substitute that d they give me in there of 6. 6 squared is 36, 36 times 3 halves would be 54, and that would be my answer. So hopefully that little tip helps you if you're getting to your Excel math and something seems confusing.